Okay, folks, I'm going to do this one handheld, so it might be a little jumpy. Don't know how good the camera is. But we've got a Model A pickup truck here. And the reason we're doing this one-handed is because this is a really good and sealed kit. Club member not available. I don't know what that means. All right. Well, maybe that was the directions. But all right, I'm trying to sell stuff. That's the catalog. Let me open these instructions one-handed, and I'll use the camera to go over it. Backwards. Okay, there we go. Model A pickup. Okay. We'll see how this works. And with all of the videos that I have, oh, I have to edit now. An accidental selfie there. This has got to be one of the coolest kits in this whole collection here. Model A pickup. All right, and let's start at the top. Work our way down. All right. So this is as sealed as you're going to get. We have a bag with the tires in there, axles. You can see the hood pieces, the bed to the truck, engine. You got your bag of screws and your components. This bag, pretty darn cool. I thought when I first opened this up that the stickers didn't go with this, but this is a sealed bag. So you can see what's in it. Got the rag top, wheels, some really cool stickers here. Pikes Peak or Bust, California or Bust. And we've got Herbs, John's, we got 24-hour towing, new and used auto parts. Very cool set of stickers. This same tub is used on probably every single Model A kit. Every single one. Same exact thing. We've got the frame that has the head and the fan blade. And this is the casting for the tiny little body tub. All right, folks. So here we have it. Just a real short video. This is model kit 4055-300.